Family members, welcome back to my channel. Ajibi apni an logode nutun candidate kalugina ani ase aro kiman junbara apni an bara comments te request korishi tai ase de idu apni an soki idu channel dia ase aro secondly itu moi TOLB election karne moi kata interview loalo sob manu karne viewers kan sob manu karne idu video do panai ase de idu apni an soki starting mar idu channel dia ase moi ita aro tadi add kori boli mona ase itu ULB election di chai ase nya honi lebi viewers kan bara manu do kun ase na nachani kana alak saka du ase na bishi apni nongumunang ward para chai ase holi partisan ward para do ward na jani na ini abi ase itu karne social media de amyan dikai di sholi do sob manu bara itu tikiboli pare ase aro dagal laga Modibi ki ase ido muanso para channel lo ase ido karne itu bi ita viewers kan kui di ase so sir apni mogi time dia karne kushi ba ta kui di ase aro apni la award apni la nam ido viewers kan ki introduce koi ne.
Okay. Thank you so much Brando bishi bai je aro mula nam do moa ase lo muna award to bra aji ini Thank you so much for dropping here today to have a small grab of conversation with you. So, more than community, more than 550 voters, so, or maybe
thank you. Kila party para apni jayase, or kila apni to Anila party to itu back coalition.
Okay. BJP para jaise. I choose BJP. Why? Because it is ruling government of BJP there. Aro apa ko serbang jongdo BJP laga kati de para kena je to the area laga development of the without him, you know, it's not so easy to do something in a development way. Itu para ruling party laga ticket di jadu policy guna golini manokan para decide kura bara mui tadi jadi send kura
acha golini manokan bara
because itu mungkin itu ticket laga juice kuri boleh tadi Congress laga members pi tadi je aro NDP party kan pi tadi je aro BJP party kan pi tadi je itu mungkin so Gloucester meeting kita dah kata bara itu ini sob tu party tu pakai aja tapi right now at the moment na itu BJP laga party di channel itu koloni kan laga development korte je balasi babara itu choose reason
ঠিক আছে তো আৰু আমি koloni manukan লগত kinia relationship to আছে
oi itu mon kene ka tawor babana takile be koloni manukan লগত relation na takile itu it's just a waste of time so itu moi first of all koloni manukan ki beshi thanks ko ase আৰু koloni manukan to mohon ini mungkin baca padan beraya di takar so takar lebih relation aman bapak tak kaya sih dia tak tu atau koloni manukan to supportive sih सब mano of course now dia munasati kita itu pendang tu dari Congress saja sih kalau lebih sih lebih mungkin lebih close sih pendang tu I respect him as a friend as a brother lebih itu koloni manukan pada stand berapa mungkin muntang lagi na dia di karang berapa
thank you ULB election do apni garne kimman dak important ase
yes it's very important you know ULB laga to ini maybe after more than 20 years itu tak ada so without ULB to mohon sob manu jani ase government laga development kan ki lebih itu this is not possible so itu ULB laga to itu tadi stand probably people ki laga elected members lagi aro ULB takar takili to development laga ki sob to ang pala ase itu pura ngoi korni to kini ka issues kan ki takili bi ULB to takar de policy ko na itu especially moi koloni manakan laga develop not only koloni ULB apart from koloni to ward kan bishi ase 9 ward kan ase to sob to elected members kan biase ta mohon sob milagi na itu kuri puli laga to you'll be talking to be important as you go into the
thank you politics so pacho hada embra investigation na etia achikali bara asti interest korina chaya se
itu politics na it was just like a surprise for me because I never got involved in politics only the sudden you know we kita pa to Pabia, muito talent as an night we just I was just curious, you know. Colini Laga Babana Bread suddenly. It was so to Guribuli Lado true politics as it. So political involved Perigina, it support Regina, Lohi policy over Moini, it Colini Laga what involved with Jaje. If given a chance to me, I'll go with this carry.
Okay. Abni elected officially though, Abni ki kam koriole mona se.
Yes, we elect really though. I'll focus mainly on two things, especially on two things. I just want to, firstly, I want to focus on the youth because I want youth to be engaged in every aspect so that they will not involve in, substance abuse or different things. So, youth will be important to realize. And secondly, development. Development, so much development will be, we have to take a wise decision, especially in the development sectors. So, my goal is to elders can say, youth can say, women can say, super collective leader idea or collective idea to come to set up that they have to decide the best way. Come to ekta koribo, itu biar higina aro second decision lagina inga kiba koribo itu to padna itu bra ek party collective decision lobo development lahato sita koribo or everything should be transparent manner.
Sir, abni laga kuta hido honda time de youth kan tila focus tuida do ekdam moi bar accept kore ase ekdam phala ase de do kwa laga itu ekta koi di ase viewers kan logo de encouragement words mon baseball election dakibo karone ki encouragement words sibole mon ase
to viewers kan logo moi koli mon dakato kuila laga dunia de itu laga do election de so manobra jani rakha laga de patobra mari kina mano mari itu laga de we have to forget about the age. That's all age.
Yes.
Aro ki controversy mano laga biya gaya ki koi take we have to forget about that one. We have to select the right person.
Yes.
Not only here but in all the world. Collective itu wise leader hobo lage aro supervise hobo lage kun leader hole be so we were going to do that. We have to focus on the person who can develop our colony or our ward. That's the thing.
Lastly, mo ito la interview de sob logo de ito do hoti kina pira ase. Mo an kimman tak support agilege na aro viewers kan enya comments korele amni nam maiki bara support nokorele na ekta buta do iko korele na pai mentally physically strong ekta na pai ito korne amni la maiki bara we apni karne kimman tak support kore ase
maiki la to moi ito iman bishi ko bole na gile mane ito sobte experience uta hai ase 100% supporting sita ite moi kara gora se gile gan sub ta hai gora ni na ase business se le politics se le ki she's more senior than me. Okay. So I have to give a credit to her. And ita mon ini moi thank you respect ko na she also respecting me. Moi jin na corporation ji lo kam sa to jaje. Aro moi bi tara pra he knowledge loi na he ito sob to ini ki kam ko do to progress ko jaje. So I have to feel thanks to my wife.
Sir, thank you so much. Apni moi time dia karne aro aji ade aigna notun topic pi ta learn korise listen bi loise amla tuida focus to ekdam kushi pai gena ito learn korise viewers kan apni la vote right ki apni moi tai ki tile phala se enia apni ba accept kore ase ito apni an sai gena right vote divide ito apni an so ki encourage kore ase next up interview de mogala ward partisan ward lowly ase ito karne ito bi rukita give de ito apni an so ki kuide ase
For having me. Thank you so much.